Ate Jo, happy birthday. And wish ko sa'yo, Ate Jo, na mag-enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. And happy lang. And more birthday to come. And andito lang ako sa'yo, Ate Jo, mag-support sa'yo. And maraming salamat po sa support always. And thank you, Ate Jo. And sana good health ka lang palagi. And ingat ka po lagi sa work mo and sa pagda-drive. And enjoy, Ate Jo. And congrats po sa iyong channel. And nag-grow na po palagi. And congrats po dahil araw-araw na po may engagement. And sipag at syaga lang po, Ate Jo. And maraming salamat sa support always. And God bless po. And I love you, Ate Jo. And happy birthday. Happy lang. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Jo. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Jo. I love you.
Hello! Yan, kagagising ko lang talaga guys. So, gusto ko lang batiin si Ate Jo. Wala na ako ibang time na mag-ayos pa kasi nandito ko ngayon sa shop. So, hello Ate Jo, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ganun. Happy birthday Ate Jo. Thank you so much for being here with us. Salamat sa, sa loyalty na hindi mo kami iniwan, hindi mo kami pinabayaan. Diba? I wish na marami pang years na dumating sa buhay mo na mag-celebrate ka na yung birthday together with your family and also together with us. Always know na kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang kami. Always kami nakasupport sa'yo. Sama-sama tayo. And see you soon, Ate Jo. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Jo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.